Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'm going to talk about a plant which can be grown indoors as well as can be grown outdoors. Do you know what plant it is? Yes, it is the snake plant. Snake plants, also known as mother-in-law tongue and sansevieria, are one of the easiest house plants to take care of. This succulent plant is very forgiving and perfect for beginners. These plants can be easily propagated by leaf cutting. And earlier in the video, we showed you a lot of snake plants in our garden. Those are grown by the leaf cutting of other snake plants. You can just put one of your snake plant leaf in any time of the year, and after some weeks you can see that a new snake plant is growing from that leaf. Look, my mom got so many snake plants only by cutting 3 to 4 of the leaves of the mother plant. Now I will tell about how to plant snake plants. Choose a pot with a drainage hole in the bottom. Terracotta pots work well for snake plants since they allow the soil to dry out more easily than plastic pots. Second tip is to use a well-draining potting mix. The potting mix designed for cacti and succulents is ideal as it will be more resistant to becoming oversaturated with water. When repotting snake plants, do not bury them too deep. When repotting, you can trim some of the root. After planting these many plants, she still have some of the plant left, so she will now plant them in some terracotta pots. Actually, we bought this for feeding the birds. Now my mom is using a nail to make some holes in the bottom. This actually looks like a bonsai pot. Now I will tell about choosing a location in the home. Snake plants prefer bright indirect light and can even tolerate some direct sunlight. Now let me tell you a quick tip. Try to avoid moving your plant from a low light area to a direct sunlight too quickly, as this can shock the plant. Keep the plant in a warm spot. In the winter, be sure to protect it from drafty windows. Now let's talk about watering snake plants. One of the most common problems encountered with snake plants is overwatering. These plants do not tolerate soggy soil well. They tend to develop root rot. To avoid this, follow these watering practices. First step is to do not water too frequently. Let the soil moist out between watering. Try to water from the bottom of the pot if possible. It encourages the root to grow. The large flat leaves tend to collect dust. Wipe them down with a damp cloth as needed. Did you know snake plants along with spider plants and peace lilies are reported very effective at cleaning the air? It helps removing the toxins such as formaldehyde. You can keep this plant at your bedroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.